Twitter has rolled a feature that allows you to make GIFs right from the in-app camera on iOS. The new feature could be a useful way to share short clips to your timeline without having to upload a full video. According to The Verge, it is unclear if or when the feature might be coming to Android. Recording the GIF is easy. In the iOS app, hit the new tweet button, tap the photo icon, then the camera icon, make sure to be on the GIF mode and press and hold the record button. Like most GIFs in tweets, there doesn't appear to be a way to easily share them off the platform. If you right-click the GIF, Twitter only shows the option to copy GIF address. There's no option to save a GIF onto your computer or phone. The feature is only available on iOS right now.